Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a quick tour through Windows 11. I am using my gaming headset microphone right now to record the audio, so hopefully it's not too bad. I don't have anything else hooked up to my PC because I primarily use it for gaming. But I did install the Windows 11 leaked build about a week ago when it came out, or when it was leaked. They did have the event releasing or announcing Windows 11 now, so there will be a dev preview coming out here shortly. I want to say sometime next week at the time of this recording. But here is Windows 11. This is obviously not the complete version because it is the leaked build, so there will be more features and changes in the dev betas and the final release, obviously. So all this is subject to change. But this is the new start bar down here. You can change it. It comes preset to the icons being in the middle. So if we go down here, let me just go to Taskbar Settings this way. So you can change the alignment from left or center. You can't move it over here because these are obviously over here. You have all these other settings here. The widgets button, these are the widgets right here. I think you do have to be signed into a Windows account to have these up here, so you will need to connect to a Microsoft account to have these widgets. But you can have that button there to basically hide those. This is your desktops button right here, so you can go to all your active windows and stuff like that, or make a new desktop. So you can show and hide all that kind of stuff. I'll probably just hide that one because I don't use it. But yeah, I usually keep my icons over here just because I like when I open the start menu and stuff like that, I like it to be on the left side of the screen rather than pop up right in the middle. So that's the new start menu and taskbar and everything like that right now. If we go to personalization, these are some of the new wallpapers we have right here. And then you can also do a slideshow or a solid color. So these are the new Windows 11 backgrounds. The dark mode looks pretty cool. I have mine in dark mode right now, so you can do custom, which lets you choose your window mode. So you can do down here where it's light, and then the apps can be a different color, so you can have those like mix and match, which is pretty cool. This is light mode. It does take a second to change. I like to keep it on dark mode. That's just my favorite. It's easier on the eyes and stuff like that. So you can control all that, different colors and themings and stuff like that as well. So far it's been running pretty well. I haven't really had any issues with it. I use this for streaming, for gaming, stuff like that, and all my games are running fine. I'm able to stream from it, no issues there. It did activate as well, so I didn't have any issues getting it activated even before the event. It just used my Windows 10 key. This will be a free update from Windows 10 when it releases, so there will not be a paid, you don't have to pay for it. The Windows Insider program now shows Windows 11. When I first installed this from the leak, it did say Windows 10. So that has changed since the event where they announced everything. I am on the dev channel, so we should get the updates as soon as they come out. But that's the UI right now, what it's looking like. We have rounded corners, except for on some of these down here. They don't always show up rounded, but we have rounded corners and stuff like that on the windows. Modern looking buttons up here, X's and all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty nice. Really nice in my opinion. I like the way it looks. And I'm excited to see what kind of changes we see here once the official dev preview comes out. So I'll show you guys that as well. But this is the leaked build. Now that they announced everything, I just wanted to show that and give you guys a little tour of it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.